Hi, my name's Thomas Fitzmartin. I'm a Southeastern University student, and I'm once again talking about an art talk. It's for an assignment. And right now I am talking about Giovanni Battista Gauli, his Il Gesù, which it is a cathedral this time around. But not just the cathedral itself, although it would probably look nice. I'm talking about the inside, or less the ceiling. It is called Triumph of the Name of Jesus, and I have a picture of it right here. Hopefully, you can be able to see that. You can pause and see what you make of what you will, but in any case, let's talk about it. And well, it's certainly amazing. More than just the picture I showed you. In any case, the Triumph of the Name of Jesus is a ceiling fresco with stucco figures. Now, what I mean by that is it's like a ceiling, an art in the ceiling, like a picture, except it also has some physical, like sculptural material made to sort of merge with the ceiling. I kind of find that interesting, seeing how you would. It's sort of like literal. It's almost like set a mirror. I don't know. It's like a type of pop art before pop art was made. But in all seriousness, I do like the fact that it's not just ceiling. It's like it comes alive because of the fact that these sculptures, frescoes with this heavenly color and figures really portrays the act of heaven in Jesus. Now, going to what it is based on or what it is about, it was made during the Baroque period or near the counter Reformation. You see, this was when the people of the church wanted to get people to calm down or wanting them to focus more on praising God and not just all fighting and arguing about what way is better. Now, it certainly would make sense to have, to remind people of Jesus with showing upon heaven what we have to, what is our destiny. The painting itself is mostly just showing heaven itself, or at least what we think of heaven, and for showing one side people coming into it and those who are not and are falling into hell. As for most about it was made in during the period from 1676 or over to 1679, which was still like it was during the time of the Reformation era, or this is the era of counter Reformation. So, yeah. Now, like I said, I did like the fresco stucco figures. These are solid material to painting, portraying people. Yeah, it like I said, it was made, from what I've read, it was made to accommodate, also, the cathedral itself was made to accommodate large crowds and provide a place for Jesuits to accommodate their growing influence. See, uh, out of the many groups that were made for after the whole Reformation, there were people like the Jesuits that want to not, either stop fighting or just want to bring people back to Jesus and not led astray by any wrongdoings or corruption that was happening. So, yes, so it would be neat. And so they have created this cathedral with that has space for everyone to come in, including their own group, and also this wonderful ceiling, which depicted one of the promises and great things to Christians, to anyone that wants to live in eternity. And I do like the idea of the stucco figures, where it is objects that are part of the painting itself. You don't see that much else. I mean, not while it's postmodernism nowadays. So it's neat to see like how they want this little pop-up art, but not just that. It's almost as if the art cannot withhold heaven itself, the image of heaven. That I find very interesting, profound. And, well, that's all I did say. If you want to know more about it, you can just look up Triumph of the Name of Jesus or Il Gesù and tell him that's it. It's art talk.